Look up at the night sky. It's a sea of twinkling stars, a vast expanse of mystery and wonder. Each tiny point of light represents a distant sun, some much larger than our own. What we often forget is that these stars hold the secret to one of Earth's most prized possessions, gold. Gold, the element that has captivated humanity for millennia, isn't just a product of Earth. It's a cosmic traveler, forged in the fiery hearts of dying stars and scattered across the universe in cataclysmic explosions. This cosmic perspective shifts our understanding of gold. Let's trace this remarkable journey from the hearts of dying stars to the ring on your finger and explore the fascinating presence of gold in our lives and the world around us. Deep within the fiery cores of stars, a cosmic alchemy unfolds. Stars are giant furnaces powered by nuclear fusion. This process fuses lighter elements into heavier ones, releasing tremendous energy that makes stars shine. For stars much more massive than our sun, the fusion process doesn't stop at helium. These stellar giants continue to fuse heavier elements in their cores, creating carbon, oxygen, and eventually, elements as heavy as iron. However, even the intense heat and pressure within these massive stars aren't enough to forge gold. The creation of gold requires something far more powerful, a supernova. During this cataclysm, the star's core collapses, creating temperatures and pressures billions of times greater than anything found within our sun. It's in these extreme conditions that gold is finally forged, through a process called rapid neutron capture, or the R process. In recent years, scientists have discovered another even more extreme scenario, the collision of neutron stars. These events, called kilonovae, are thought to be the primary source of the universe's heaviest elements, including gold. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a chaotic cloud of gas and dust. Over time, gravity drew this material together, forming the sun at the center and the planets, including Earth, orbiting around it. As the Earth cooled and solidified, heavy elements like iron sank towards its core, while lighter elements formed the crust and mantle. Gold, being a heavy element, should have also sunk to the Earth's core, becoming inaccessible to us. So how did gold end up in the Earth's crust, where we can mine it? The answer lies in a cosmic bombardment that occurred early in our planet's history, the Late Heavy Bombardment. During this period, our solar system was still littered with debris from its formation. This debris, ranging in size from dust grains to massive asteroids, rained down on the young Earth. Among these celestial projectiles were meteorites, some of which carried significant amounts of gold. Over millions of years, geological processes concentrated these dispersed gold deposits, forming the veins and ore bodies that we mine today. The cosmic connection of gold extends beyond the jewelry we wear or the coins we trade. It's woven into the very fabric of our being. You might be surprised to learn that gold, albeit in minuscule amounts, is present in the human body. While it doesn't play a biological role like iron or zinc, gold's presence in our bodies speaks to our intimate connection with the universe. The average human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold, roughly the weight of a grain of sand. This gold is mostly dispersed throughout our bones, blood, and organs. While gold's biological function in humans remains a subject of ongoing research, its unique properties have led to its use in various medical applications. Gold nanoparticles, for instance, are being explored for their potential in targeted drug delivery, imaging, and cancer therapy. Gold's inert nature makes it biocompatible, meaning it doesn't react negatively with our bodies. Researchers are developing gold-based therapies that could revolutionize how we treat diseases, offering targeted treatments with fewer side effects. The story of gold's journey doesn't end with its arrival on Earth or its presence within us. It continues in the most unexpected of places, the plant kingdom. Certain plant species, known as hyperaccumulators, possess the remarkable ability to absorb unusually high concentrations of metals from the soil, including gold. These plants have evolved mechanisms to tolerate and even thrive in environments rich in heavy metals. This discovery has given rise to a revolutionary concept known as phytomining. Phytomining involves cultivating hyperaccumulator plants in gold-rich areas, allowing them to absorb gold through their roots and deposit it in their tissues. Once the plants have accumulated sufficient amounts of gold, they can be harvested and processed to extract the precious metal. Phytomining offers a more sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gold mining. By harnessing the power of plants, we can potentially extract gold while minimizing our impact on the environment. Throughout history, gold has held a special place in human civilization. Its rarity, beauty, and resistance to tarnishing have made it a highly prized possession, a symbol of wealth, power, and divinity. Ancient civilizations used gold to craft intricate jewelry, adorn religious artifacts, and mint coins, establishing its enduring value across cultures and continents. The alchemists, those early practitioners of chemistry, were captivated by gold's allure. They believed that by manipulating base metals they could achieve transmutation, the legendary process of turning lead into gold. While their efforts ultimately proved futile, the alchemists' pursuit of transmutation laid the foundation for modern chemistry. Even today, gold continues to fascinate us. Its value extends beyond its monetary worth, influencing art, culture, and technology. We use gold in electronics, dentistry, and even aerospace engineering, taking advantage of its unique properties to create advanced materials and devices. The story of gold is a story of human ingenuity, our enduring fascination with this precious metal driving innovation and shaping our world in profound ways. From the heart of a dying star to the ring on your finger, gold has made an incredible journey across time and space. It's a journey that speaks to the interconnectedness of the cosmos, reminding us that we are, in a very real sense, made of star stuff. The gold we hold in our hands, wear as jewelry, or use in technology is a tangible link to the universe's grand processes. Understanding the cosmic origins of gold deepens our appreciation for this precious metal. As we look to the future, we carry the legacy of gold's cosmic journey with us. We're exploring new ways to utilize its unique properties, from developing sustainable mining practices to harnessing its potential in medicine and technology. The story of gold, far from being over, is still being written. Like and subscribe at King Facts.